Chevy Volt V Victor, got an engine and a big battery pack. This is a heat pump car. We're reversing the flow. We have a battery chiller. We have a battery heater. We're doing the same thing with the Ford, just regular hybrid Explorer. And I'm going, I can't believe it. Lithium-ion battery pack is underneath the vehicle. Why don't we just put it inside the vehicle and put a little squirrel cage in there like your Prius C, you know, and cool it with air? They're doing it with heated coolant and cooled coolant. We use air conditioning, refrigerant. Same thing, a chiller is used in the Mustang Mach-E. This has got an engine, but we're not going to cool that battery pack like we cool Priuses. We're going to do sophisticated thermal management with heat exchangers and chillers that are going to absorb the refrigerant's coldness and cool coolant that's going to run through the battery pack. Not through the electronics of the battery pack, but through heat sinks within the battery pack. Here's a better picture. So there's a much newer vehicle. So the Chevy Volt was pretty much, you know, it's gone now, but this is a Jeep 4xe. This is the top side of the battery pack. Remember I said the two bench seats, they just kind of pop up. They're on a hinge. You pull a little lever and they pop up. They give you access. You saw me with my little probes, the banana plug story I was telling you about. That's that right there. That's a little cover. This is the top side. Here's underneath the 4xe, the Jeep Wrangler plug-in hybrid. You see these lines right there? That's coolant. We're running coolant through it. We can run refrigerated coolant, cool the coolant down with chillers and so forth. It is very complex. Remember I said heating. Heating kills the range. If you're using high voltage to heat coolant, that's great, but your range is going to drop significantly if it's an EV. However, this is a plug-in hybrid. What would I need that? I got the engine. The engine doesn't run for about an hour, for about 30 miles. If you can actually save your Jeep Wrangler's EV range, called EV Saver, and run the vehicle as a regular hybrid, very strong hybrid, until you get to where you want to go, off-roading. If you have a Rubicon version with a decoupling stabilizer bar, so you get up on a little bit of an incline.